Hello, everybody. So I'm going to try to put together some little mini videos, short compartmentalized videos, rather than just the grandiose large lectures. I'm hoping that maybe for certain types of learners that like things more digestible and in smaller components, or for the sake of review, this could be useful for students. So this first one that I'm going to talk to you about is the overview of what the body of a speech is all about. So I actually start my instruction on speech structure with the body of a speech rather than the introduction of a speech. And that might seem a little strange. For a lot of us, we think in terms of where do we start, how do we proceed forward, and where do we end, which would be teaching in the direction of introduction, body, conclusion, a chronological type of organization. But I'm going to go body first. And the main reason why is I actually believe the best way for you to write your speech is from the body out. So if it was an Oreo cookie, you'll start with the sweet stuff in the middle, then you worry about the top of the cookie, introduction, and the bottom of the cookie later. So if we write the introduction, if we know what our three main points are going to be, that's also going to write the preview that's in the introduction. It's also going to write the summary that's in the conclusion. It will also help us to focus things like how we're going to open the speech and how we're going to close the speech and what type of memorable line we'll have. So really doing the introduction and the conclusion is putting the cart before the horse. We really want to write the body first. And once we've got that solid and a plan in place, then we will go and start to write the intro and conclusion. So that's why I'm starting here. Before I depart from this first overview video, let me talk to you about what the intro, body, and conclusion is. The intro is tell your audience what you're going to tell them. The body is tell them. And the conclusion is tell your audience what you told them. So those are the big picture ways that we stereotypically think of those three parts, and they're big picture functions. Introduction, tell them what you're going to tell them. Body, tell them. Conclusion, tell them what you told them. All right, the next video, we'll talk a little bit more about the specifics of the body.